Welcome to Study Loop.
So essentially, for part A, equation 1033 can be used to find the total moment of inertia. This is giving us md squared plus m2d quantity squared plus m3d quantity squared. This is going to be simply equal to 14 md squared. Now, if the innermost one is removed, then essentially we would only have the last two terms. So if innermost mass is removed, I total would then simply be equal to m2d quantity squared plus m3d quantity squared, and that would only be equal to 13 md squared. Now the percentage difference here would simply be equal to 13 minus 14 over the total, so 14, and this would be equal to 0.0714, or we can say approximately, we can keep the three significant figures, so 7.14%. So that would be the essentially the percentage difference. And that would be our answer for part A. Now, for part B, if the outermost mass was removed, so outermost mass is removed, we can say that here I total would be equal to md squared plus m2d quantity squared. This is only equaling 5 md squared. So here the percentage difference would be 14 minus 5 over, again, 14. And this is equaling 0.643, or 64.3%. This would be our answer for part B. And again, this would be the percentage difference. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.